Hi friends, what is up? What is going on? Welcome back. This is going to be just like a quick little reading for my Scorpios. Let's see. Yeah. So you guys, make sure that you are hitting the like, subscribe, comment. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys rock. Cross-watchers, you're welcome, but keep my comments positive, please, or you will be blocked. I like my space to be a safe place for everyone. This is going to be a general reading. Anyone needing a personal read, that information is always in the description box below. So, splitting the deck. Caution. Someone hates your spirituality, but I am extremely used to that by now. But you guys just like watch out. Somebody may not feel everything that you believe in or anything that you believe in, and that's okay. To each their own. But hating on somebody else's beliefs or spirituality is just like as low vibe as you can get. It's kind of ridiculous. Like, let people live, you know? Alright, let's see. What's coming in for Scorpio? Spirit, help me get clear and precise messages for my viewers. Archangel Michael, as always, continue to show up, block negativity, return to sender tenfold. Thank you. Well, damn. Alright. So what is coming in for Scorpio? What's coming towards Scorpio? We have 3. Two. So you have caught a case. Check yourself. Restraining order. Wow. And cock blocking. Wonderful. We are going to get some clarification on these. You guys make sure that you are letting me know if you want a reading done for a specific sign. I'm more than happy to do so, but you have to leave it in the comments or I won't know. What is caught a case with check yourself? So somebody that, yeah, okay, so somebody that just will not leave you alone, constantly takes any chance they can to attack you, manipulate you, just won't leave you alone, harass you. You could finally be doing something about it, or somebody else could. Oh wow, okay. So we have such a, not a very nice Aries in your energy. So we have Aries, oops. To clarify, caught a case. It's kind of strange because I know of a toxic Aries grandfather that doesn't act like a grandfather at all. Doesn't act like a father at all. Yep. Alright, and this is a warning, okay? This is going to be a warning message for Scorpio, it sounds like. What's restraining order for Scorpio? What is restraining order for Scorpio? So 2 cards just flipped over. A mom and a mother figure, okay? So this doesn't have to be your mom, but to clarify restraining order, it is a mother figure. And then below that, it does say, so somebody could be like pulling the wool over somebody's eyes, making it to where they can't see straight, because I'm like, and then somebody wishing illness or worse on you. So just make sure that you're protecting yourself. What is cock blocking for Scorpio? What is cock blocking for Scorpio? I saw gossip at the bottom of the deck. What's cock blocking for Scorpio? Yeah, it keeps showing up, so. Obsessed. Bottom of the deck, we do have cruel intentions. So, let me see. Caught a case, Aries, restraining order, mother figure, cock blocking, obsessed. Somebody may be obsessed with like breaking you and another person up, or blocking y'all from coming together or being happy. Could be somebody's baby mama, could be dealing with an Aries, or this woman could be an Aries. Yeah, you know. Somebody else, like someone that's connected to you, could have had like such a bad fight with a baby mom or some kind of mother figure, and the cops could have gotten involved, and now somebody has a criminal case because of an obsessed, cock blocking, just cruel mother figure. Oop, somebody does not like me saying that, and I really don't care. Spirit, can you help me get some clarification? Yep. Could be dealing with Aries, Taurus. But make sure that you are protecting yourself from energies as these. What is restraining order with mother figure? What is restraining order with mother figure? You have experience. It's like this person spends a lot of time doing this, manipulating others, making others seem crazy or feel crazy, obsessing. That's a lot of time and energy. Like, they're experienced in obsession. Yeah. Multiple cards telling you to protect yourself, and somebody could be practicing things that they do not need to practice, whether it's manipulation, magic, or black magic. I'm just getting on that a lot right now. What is obsessed with cock blocking? Oh, shoot. Okay. Death. Scorpio energy. So obsessed with cock blocking a Scorpio. Obsessed with blocking any renewal. And obsessed with blocking any new beginnings. Very strange. Very strange, Scorpio. But things are about to be balanced out. I will say that. I'm going to look at something really quick. It's crazy. It seems like I just start the video and then it's like 10 minutes. Alright, yeah, so some of you guys could definitely be claiming your independence, your sovereignty, working on yourself, working on your own crafts, your own fun. Oh wow, those were not supposed to be there. But so if you didn't catch the last Scorpio read, go catch it. With death and sacrifice showing up, like somebody could have really tried to sacrifice you physically, mentally and physically. Somebody may be nervous about you finding this out. Somebody's going to be coming forward and being honest. Scorpios adore honesty, so it's probably just for the best. You're extremely intuitive right now. Make sure that you are using it with all the purple: transparency, honest, authentic, genuine, present, dreams, vivid dreaming, dream messages, dream teaching. Could be seeing 222, 222. Ooh, somebody could have an STD that you need to protect yourself from. What is caught a case and protect with Aries? Telepathy. Wow. Number 30, nonverbal communication, energetic pulses, and mind reading. Could be a twin or a highly ranked soulmate, the way that they match. Sacrifice just keep showing up. What is restraining order with mother figure and experience? Magic, caution, secrecy, and worry. Number 9, a lot of red hair showing up. You could have somebody with red hair. Oh, dude. Somebody tried to have you sacrificed in one way or multiple ways. What is death with obsessed and cock blocking? Somebody thinks that they are experienced in magic or messing with stuff, but they're about to get a very rude awakening. And it could end in death. They could have ended up sacrificing themselves, trying to sacrifice you. Number 27, adrift, letting go, allowing a higher force to take charge for a time. Very scorpionic energy there. Bottom of the deck, we have sanctuary, privacy, inviolate personal space, respected boundaries, and taboo. Number 28, something is coming to an end here. Something coming to an end. So what's coming towards Scorpio? You may be finding out about this. You were like cast out in some kind of way. And they want it to remain a secret that they were the reason for it. So what's coming Scorpio's way? Somebody else is heartbroken, so they wanted you to be. I'm getting really freaking tired of this energy, though. Somebody could be talking to you through music, musician, snake charmer, harmony, and melody. What is music for Scorpio? Healing, absolutely. Wounds improving, mending, and progress. Y'all pay attention to the music that you are listening to. I noticed home. So some of you guys could be, honestly, I feel like a lot of Scorpios right now could be looking for a new home, could be moving homes, or like remodeling their home to feel like a brand new home, or to feel more like home. Comfort, safety, belonging, and shelter. There's gates on all the windows, the door, the front porch. There's gates. It's like all gated. Could be thinking about a place in a gated community, or putting gates on your windows and stuff like that if you don't live in a gated community, something like that. But I just feel like a lot of Scorpios are moving right now. What is experience with magic? Two, please. Damn, okay. Got breakup, walking away, ending, separation, and it's over. Told you. Something is coming to an end. What is breakup? It's like they do this a lot. Toxic relationship. So you're going to hear about a breakup in a toxic relationship. You could have known it's been toxic for weeks, months, years. Fighting, codependent, misunderstanding, triggering each other. This just... Yeah, you're like, I'm worried about myself. Ooh, snap. You do have divine timing, wrong timing, stalemate, perfect timing, and waiting for this, like, death and adrift. Yeah, I feel like you've let go and let God. What is divine timing for Scorpio? Date. Somebody wants to date you. Courting, dating, anniversary, and meetup. That's kind of quick, though. I don't know if you want to hop into any kind of connection with somebody that's coming freshly out of a breakup from a very toxic, obsessive, restraining order type of relationship, just because they're going to have a lot of those toxic traits that they have been around, and they need to shed their snake-like ways before coming to you. Bottom of the deck, we have change, regeneration, metamorphosis. I continue to hear metamorphosis. I don't know how many times I have heard that word over the last 2 days. Look up the definition for metamorphosis, because Scorpio, yeah, I mean, Scorpio does rule transformation, change, growth, cycles, regeneration, and metamorphosis. But I'm definitely going to look more into it because because I'm being told to. Yeah, let's just get into it. Something about this mother figure, a manipulative mother figure at that. This person could use sex magic to get their way. What a life. Yep. Somebody is planning, thinking about you every night. Possibly planning on like how to come towards you. What's coming in for Scorpio? What is coming in for Scorpio? Oh, shoot. A tower. It's Scorpio energy. Truth. And the Ace of Swords. Possibly cutting some people off. Some very toxic people. Dang. Death. This is all you, Scorpio. The Tower and Death. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is death for Scorpio? Somebody, I'm just going to say it because I have to, but somebody could have paid someone to try to harm you. Somebody that like works in the dark could have paid someone, invested in your death. They gotta pay for that. Can't do that. Somebody could experience a death from doing these things. What's the Seven of Pentacles with divine timing and date? Somebody could also be saving up their money to court you, to take you out. Trying to get their money right. Somebody could be very insecure or scared to approach you, possibly because you are honest, authentic, real, genuine. You're not scared to tell people about their fucking asses. And these people may just deserve exactly that. What's the Seven of Pentacles, please? One. Ten of Swords, betrayal. I'm telling you, somebody could be a Libra, but justice is about to be served. Little do they know, because somebody used change to cause damage and hurt to you and possibly cause your death. But you're going to hear about an ending to a very toxic relationship and an ending to something that's gone on for way too long, because all they're doing now is stabbing each other. With mother figure, there could be a child involved. This could come as a surprise to some of you guys, but I've been through this so many dad burn times. It's like nothing surprises me anymore. Nothing. I could see my worst enemy as soon as I open my front door today, and it would not surprise me. What's the Tower for Scorpio? Four of Pentacles. Somebody could have held back from you, held back how they feel, held money back, held truth back, held themselves back. What's the Ace of Swords? Wheel of Fortune, upright. This is good karma for Scorpio. And that's the thing. If you move in a respectable, graceful way, you have to, for your own good, okay? What is death for Scorpio? What is death? Six of Cups. You could hear about a death of someone that you've known since childhood. That, or you could just hear from someone that you've known since childhood. Seven of Pentacles, please. So somebody that held back before now wants to give to you. Knight of Wands, but it wanted to come out in the reverse. So it's like this person doesn't want to be a player, or they don't want to play. I don't know. But Knight of Wands, that is player energy, so be careful, man. What's the Ten of Swords for Scorpio? I told you somebody was heartbroken, so they wanted to cause it for you. Knight of Pentacles. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. We also have Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, 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 Taurus, Sag, Aquarius. Somebody wants to apologize to an independent woman or independent person. Scorpio, I will tell you this, you have protection constantly. Okay, you have protection around you at all times, okay, so don't even worry. Yep, the scales of justice are about to be evened out. Somebody could have literally tried to cause the death of a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but you are divinely, again, I tell you, you are protected. Lord. Either that, or they caused some kind of betrayal and hurt to you. Could have been dealing with a Taurus. It's Taurus and Scorpio. Ending a commitment. Changing a commitment. Oh, snap the levers. I gotta organize my cards, man. I have so many. So many now. This is Gemini energy as well. And I'm still not done, man. I still want... My family's like, how many do you have? And I still ain't done. Alright, what is the Tower with the Four of Pentacles? Three of Swords. Heartbreak. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is the Ace of Swords? Yep, something's about to be illuminated. Get ready, but you're about to, man, you're about to strike gold. I keep telling you, you are protected from this magician. What is death? It's gonna make you mad, but keep your temper, Scorpio. You're protected. Okay. Something could have happened Sagittarius season, the end of November through December. What is the Seven of Pentacles with the Knight of Wands? King of Cups. Could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We also have Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, and King of Swords. Dang. Yeah, you're about to have a brand new life. That's what that feels like. What is the Ten of Swords with the Knight of Pentacles? Ten of Pentacles. Dude, I'm telling you, you're about to strike freaking gold. You could have recently or will have to you could have ended, and the Ten of Cups. Oh my god, Scorpio. This might be that sacrifice that this, like, you may have to make a sacrifice that you couldn't really. Yeah, you may have to reject someone to keep good karma. This person watches you. Justice is about to be served, yo, and this is your justice. Dude. Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. This is being financially and emotionally set. Like, good. Like, better than good. Wheel of Fortune again. Four of Wands. Stability. Home. Achievement. Five of Swords. About some kind of, like, competition or competitive energy that was deceptive. You didn't even know. You didn't even know about this, like, all this hate and malice behind the scenes, honey. You didn't even know. My golly. How miserable do you have to be to have this much hate, malice, and no wonder justice is about to be served. Let's do all signs real quick. Divine timing again. The nostalgia. Somebody's thinking about the past. I don't like that cruel intentions, though, especially with playing games showing up. I don't like that at all. You could find out about someone that, like, you had a lot of love for or cared a lot about, had cruel intentions for you the entire time, but you're protected, baby. Like, every bad thing that shows up, you're protected from it. And you need to show gratitude and thanks for that, because not everyone can say that, especially not people that mess around with dark magic, manipulation, blocking, obsessing. Somebody could also be going to court, and the judge will rule in your favor, it looks like. Somebody could be being sued or going through a suing process, and it's going to be like worth the process, worth the court fees, okay? So hold on tight and make sure to pray. Yep, somebody wanted control over everything. Capricorn, what do you have to say? Okay. Target. I'm strategizing to win. I won't miss my target this time. Aquarius. I'm telling you, somebody is messing with someone's vision. Divine timing again. Trust in the perfection of divine timing. Somebody's messing with someone's vision, like trying to make it to where they cannot see straight, pulling the wool over someone's eye or something like that. Pisces. Youthful. Let's keep our inner child ageless and maintain youthful forever. Remain youthful forever. Aries. We're going to dig deeper into this, okay, Scorpio? I make a lot of part 2s and then I never upload them. Aries, gossip. I've been talking about you to my friends. Ooh, Taurus. Forgiveness. I'm willing to forgive you and let go of the past. Well, that's mighty big of you. This doesn't look like Scorpio did anything wrong here. It was all on y'all's part, but whatever. Oh, that was Taurus. Aries, whatever. Gemini. That's quick. Divinely guided. This relationship is being divinely guided and protected. Cancer. Under pressure. I'm under a lot of pressure right now. Please be understanding. Leo. Main woman in reverse. Nobody else has my attention. You're the one that I want. But it was in the reverse. So somebody is not a main woman or has someone, but they're not the main woman. And playing games. Playing around, having fun, didn't mean to waste your time. So you got a manipulative player of a Leo around you. Virgo. New perspective. I'm seeing us with new eyes and it's all so clear now. Libra. Healing in the reverse. So you have a Libra around you that is not healed. Not interested in healing. I'm not healing those parts of me I avoided for so long. That's not good. Scorpio with a Scorpio. Love, hate. I'm angry, but I still love you, but I hate what you do. That's weird. And Sagittarius. Wear and tear. This love is starting to wear on me. Something has to change. Bottom of the deck. Again, you have inner conflict, manifesting, and longing. Change again. I'm telling you, something big's about to happen. Don't be surprised if you're seeing 5 or 555 a lot. Let me get you one. Woo. What's a message you want to leave Scorpio with? Spirit, what's a message you want to leave Scorpio with? What does Scorpio need to hear right now? Just one. All right. You have Matthew 5:16. Let your light shine before others so they see your good works. Give glory to your Father who are in heaven. Amen. Amen. Literally, your light might irritate some people's demons, but that is perfectly fine. That's what I have for you, Scorpio. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.